If you're watching this, you are probably on the cusp of an exciting journey, starting your own business. Did you know that approximately 90% of startups fail? Don't let that figure deter you. The missing link between success and failure often comes down to understanding and implementing the right strategies from the very beginning. Before we go into detail about the benefits of startup consulting, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Now, there's a lot that goes into building a successful startup: developing your product or service, identifying your market, understanding your competition, and then there's the legal aspect, a crucial element that cannot be ignored. That's where we come in. Welcome to legalregistration.com. We specialize in helping startups like yours navigate the complex world of business formation and compliance. Our experts have helped thousands of startups establish their legal foundation, ensuring they comply with all necessary regulations from day one. And, according to a report by the Startup Genome, it's startups with a well-defined legal structure that are 21% more likely to receive investments. You might ask, why choose us? Well, we are not just about business registration. We understand that each startup is unique and therefore requires a customized approach. Our team of experienced consultants doesn't just provide world-class startup consulting and business formation services. We become a part of your journey, sharing in your vision, and working alongside you to realize it. When it comes to our organization, think of us as more than just a service provider. Consider us your partners in success. Remember, in today's global economy, it's not just about starting a business, it's about starting it right. We are here to make sure that your startup is legally sound and ready for the global stage. Don't be a part of the 90% that fail. Be part of the 10% that succeed. Join us and let's build your startup the right way. Your journey to success starts here. To get your new business endeavor set up now, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts at 877-955-7111. Also, what are your goals for your startup? Is there a specific milestone you want to achieve? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.